Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you breaking news regarding the NEET-PG exam that was scheduled for today. In a surprising turn of events, the exam has been postponed amid concerns over alleged irregularities. Let's dive into the details. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for Postgraduate, or NEET-PG, was supposed to be held today, June 23rd. However, the Health Ministry has decided to postpone it due to ongoing issues surrounding the examination process. This decision has left many students in a state of uncertainty. The government cited the need to conduct a thorough review of the NEET-PG procedures managed by the National Board of Examination. This move follows a major controversy over alleged irregularities in NEET-PG and UGC NET, which are crucial for medical and higher education in India. In a statement, the Health Ministry expressed regret for the inconvenience caused to students. They emphasized that this decision is in the best interest of maintaining the examination's integrity. Earlier on Saturday, the Education Ministry replaced the head of the National Testing Agency, Subodh Kumar Singh, with retired IAS officer Pradeep Singh Karola. This action highlights the government's intent to address the alleged mishandlings within the testing agency. The change in leadership is seen as a step towards restoring trust in the examination process. A high-level committee has also been formed to recommend reforms in the examination process and improve data security protocols. This committee will be responsible for ensuring that such irregularities do not occur in the future. Their recommendations are expected to bring about significant changes in how exams are conducted and monitored. This postponement comes after recent cancellations of the UGC NET and the joint CSER-UGC NET due to similar issues. These cancellations have raised serious concerns about the credibility of the examination system. The fresh date for the NEET-PG exam will be announced soon, and we will keep you updated. The government assures students that these actions are taken to ensure a fair and transparent examination process. For now, all we can do is wait for the new exam date and hope for a smoother process ahead. Thank you for tuning in. Stay subscribed to our channel for the latest updates on this story and other important news. See you next time.